Hello, matlang people! Welcome sa It's No Time! Claims and Learning, #Learn Together. This festival is a toast to the hot spring bath of Los Baños, coinciding with the founding anniversary of the municipality of Los Baños, which features science discovery exhibit, cultural shows, beauty pageants, and street dancing competition.
Isa sa mga highlights ng Banyamos Festival ay ang Baile sa Kalye, kung saan ipinapakita ang kultura ng Los Baños sa pamamagitan ng pagsasayaw. Hinahaluan ng genre ballroom ang routine ng street dancing.
Ano nga bang pag-uusapan natin sa araw na to? Probability distribution. So these are the most essential learning competencies for this topic. For our target goals, number 1, define discrete probability distribution. Number 2, construct a probability distribution. And number 3, value the knowledge about the concept of probability distribution. As part of our review, let's play this game. True or false? Random variables takes on real number values. Is it true or false? Very good. It is true. Next. Experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. True or false? Experiment ba ang tawag natin doon? It is false. Ang tawag natin sa set of all possible outcomes ay sample space. There are 16 sample space in tossing a coin 4 times. True or false? Very good. It is true. So, sa pagtotoss ng coin, we only have 2 possible outcomes. Head or tail. Sa first toss, 2. Second toss, 2. Third toss, 2. Fourth toss, 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 16. Continuous random variable is being obtained by counting. Is it true or false? It is false. Because continuous random variable is being obtained by measuring. Yung by counting, it is discrete random variable. And lastly, age is an example of discrete random variable. True or false? It is false because age has something to do with time, and time is being measured. Now let's define discrete probability distribution. So it consists of the values a random variable can assume and the corresponding probabilities of the value. So yung discrete probability distribution is a table. Table siya ng mga values and ng kanilang mga corresponding probabilities. So there are 2 properties of probability distribution. The first one, each probability is between 0 and 1 inclusive. So yung bawat probability ng ating value, dapat nagre-range lang siya from 0 to 1. And the second property is the sum of the probabilities must be equal to 1. So pag pinag-add natin lahat ng probabilities, dapat mag-equal siya sa 1. So these are the 2 properties ng isang probability distribution. Ngayon, let's talk about the Banyamos Festival. So sino dito ang naka-attend na ng mga programa ng Banyamos Festival? Ayan. So yung Banyamos Festival class, maraming programs dyan. We have the Mr. and Miss LV, and ano pa ba? Bailamos. At isa sa mga highlights nito ay ang Banyamos or yung Baile sa Kalye. So nung last Baile sa Kalye 2023, ang top 5 barangays natin ay Dimaahas, Batong Malaki, Malinta, Mayundon, and Lalakay. Ngayon, let's use this as our example to talk about the probability distribution. Suppose we are going to choose the top 2 barangays among the given top 5 barangays below. So let X be the random variable that represents Barangay Maahas will be ranked among the top 2. So bibilangin natin or hahanapin natin yung probability na mai-include ang Maahas sa top 2. So, gawan natin ng legend yung bawat barangay. MH for maahas, BM for batong malaki, ML for malinta, LK for lalakay, MY for mayundon. Ngayon, so I'll be using the table diagram to identify all the sample space ng ating variables or ng ating experiment. So we have MHMH, MHBL, BM, MHML, MHLK, MHMY, and so on. So kapag pinag-combine natin lahat yan, ayan po yung magiging sample spaces. But it is impossible naman na ang ating magdararank na dalawa ay parehas maahas. Okay, for our second place, we have maahas. And for our champion is also the maahas. Pwede ba yun? Diba hindi naman pwede? So cancel natin lahat ng mga dumodoble. So let's cancel maahas, BM, ML, LK, and MY. So all in all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 possible outcomes. Ngayon, kuhanan na natin sila or bigyan na natin sila ng values. Again, ang ating variable ay maahas. So bilangin lang natin kung ilang beses lumabas ang maahas sa bawat sample space. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and so on. Ayan. So bibilangin lang natin kung ilang maahas ba ang lumabas sa bawat sample space. So let's use this value to create or to construct the probability distribution. So for our value, we have 0 and 1 only. And then bilangin na natin kung ilan or kung ano yung probability ng 0 at ng 1. So all in all, we have 20 sample space or 20 possible outcomes. At ang 0 natin dan ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of 20. In simplest form, it is 3/5. So in expressing or in identifying the probability, it must be expressed in its simplest form. Yung 1 naman, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 20 or 8 over 20. Simplest form natin is 2/5. So let's see if we have met the two properties. So 3/5, 2/5, ang range naman nila is from 0 to 1. So check tayo sa first property. Second property, dapat pag pinag-add yung probabilities natin, it must be equal to 1. So we have 3/5 plus 2/5, we have 5/5 or 1. So check tayo sa ating second property. So this is how we create or construct a probability distribution. So for our generalization, properties of probability distribution, number 1 is each probability is between 0 and 1 inclusive. And second property, kapag pinag-add natin lahat ng probabilities, it must be equal to 1. And the value that we can get from this lesson, in the mathematics of life, 1 is always equal to 1, no matter what the circumstances. So kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo, kung ano man ang binabato nilang salita sa iyo, your value is still your value. So you are valuable.
Alam nyo ba na ang ibig sabihin ng Los Baños ay ang debating place o ang paliguan at ang Banyamos naman ay we bathe or tayo ay maligo. Ito ay dahil sa mga thermal o hot spring na karaniwang matatagpuan sa mga pook na malapit sa paanan ng Mount Makiling. At dito na nagtatapos ang ating aralin. Ibahagi natin sa ibang ating mga natutunan. At lagi nating tatandaan, the way of success is the continuous pursuit of knowledge. Claim it, matlang people. See you again sa ating next video.